Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fitness routine of one of the most iconic pop stars on the planet, Ariana Grande. Not only does she wow us with her voice, but she's also got an incredible physique. So let's break down how she stays in such amazing shape. Ariana is known for her petite frame, but don't be fooled. She puts in serious work to maintain her toned body. And the key to her routine? Consistency, balance, and staying active every day. First up, Ariana focuses on something simple yet effective: walking. Her trainer has revealed that she aims to hit 12,000 steps a day. That's right, instead of always hitting the weights or cardio machines, Ariana focuses on movement throughout the day. Walking is a low-impact way to stay active, burn calories, and keep your muscles engaged. You can do it anywhere and it adds up quickly. If you want to stay active like Ari, try aiming for 10,000 to 12,000 steps each day. While walking is great, Ariana also mixes in full-body workouts and Pilates. She loves exercises that tone without bulking up. Pilates is fantastic for working on core strength, posture, and flexibility. Three things Ariana's always showing off during her high-energy performances. Some of Ariana's favorite Pilates moves include planks, leg lifts, and ab roll-ups. These exercises are perfect for building long, lean muscles. Bodyweight training. Ariana is also a fan of bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. These movements work multiple muscle groups at once and keep her toned without needing a ton of equipment. You can do these anywhere, at home, at the gym, or even while you're on the go. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference in your overall strength and endurance. Focus on a balanced diet. Of course, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for overall health and fitness. Ariana Grande ensures she eats a variety of nutrient-rich foods to fuel her body and support her active lifestyle. She focuses on whole foods including plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By making mindful food choices, she maintains her energy levels and supports her fitness goals. Lots of fresh veggies, fruits, and whole grains keep her energized for her demanding lifestyle. And hydration is key. Ariana reportedly drinks a ton of water throughout the day to keep her skin glowing and her body in top shape. Mental health and yoga last. But not least, Ariana makes time for her mental health. She's been open about the importance of self-care, and one of the ways she stays grounded is through yoga and meditation. Yoga helps her relax, de-stress, and stay flexible. It's a great way to end the day after a busy schedule of performances and recording sessions. And there you have it. Ariana Grande's fitness routine is all about balance, staying active every day, focusing on core strength and flexibility, and taking care of her mental well-being. If you want to feel as fierce as Ariana, give these tips a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips, routines, and all things health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.